The ramp and platform brackets are used as an added security to prevent ramps and platforms from disconnecting. It does not take the place of leg supports. Please note the following when installing the ramp and platform brackets. Orientation of the tongue and groove with respect to the orientation of the bracket. Which holes to use when screwing in bracket. Improper bracket orientation and/or screw install will result in an ineffective installation. Platform to platform. Orient the bracket according to the configuration you are installing, then rotate and insert the bracket into the side channel. Fasten bracket onto ramp or platform side rail using number 10 3/16 inch by 3/4 inch drilling screw. While the installation steps remain the same, it is important to identify your exact bracket configuration. Please pay attention to the differences in the following configurations. Platform to ramp. Note how the bracket goes under the ramp run, locking it in place. For added ease of installation, you can pre-drill. Platform to ramp, outside corner. See the bracket lock under the platform channel. Ramp to ramp. Notice how the bracket slides in the ramp run channel, locking them together. Ramp to platform inside corner. Bracket fits under the lip of the platform channel, securing them.